gonna be armed?
Yes, sir. Ankle holster.
You have to stow this in the crew luggage compartment in the front.
No problemo.
Why do you need 5 guns?
Gee, you want to tell him, Kate? Why do I need 5 guns? She's shy.
What's this then?
That's a good story. You want to tell it? Okay. This belonged to her childhood sweetheart, who she got killed a couple of years ago when she was on the run. Poor guy, my wife, 2-year-old kid. What was his name? Huh? Well, somewhere along the way during the 3 years that I was chasing her, she starts calling me at my house and whining on about her mitigating circumstances, but what she's really doing is taunting me. So I tell her that I've got what's-his-name's little toy airplane in a safe deposit box in New Mexico. So she somehow figures out which bank, which safe deposit box. She seduces some idiot to rob the damn bank, and then she puts a bullet in her new friend because she's done using him. But she leaves all the money. She just takes the plane. Because that's the one thing in the whole world that Kate does care about. She has no attachments. And I think she's telling herself she needs it to atone for killing her boyfriend. What's his name? God, Kate, come on. What was his name?
Tom, you son of a bitch!
And that is why I need 5 guns.